Good morning, student. Today I am here to explain English language of class 4 future continuous tense. So what is future continuous tense? We use the future continuous tense to talk about an action or situation that will be in progress at a particular point of time in the future. When we are decide to do anything in the future or do some action or having some events or situation in the future, and that will be decided at a particular point of time. So I give you one example. I shall be going to bed by 10 o'clock. So you are decided to go to bed at 10 o'clock. Uh, you have decided in the future a particular time when you will go to the bed. Now again, one more example. Mary will be taking her brother to the doctor tomorrow. Again, over here, Mary decided a particular time when she will take the to her brother to the doctor. Over here, the helping verb are shall and will, plus be going is your main verb. Now, third example, we shall be flying to Singapore next week. Over here, the verb shall be going, will be taking, shall be flying are in the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used when we want to talk about an action that will be going on or continuing. Continuing means when the action is in continuous process or in a continuity, or the action are be repeatedly going on at some point of time in the future. The structure of the future continuous tense is will be, shall be plus ing. We will add ing in the continuous tense to make continuous form of a verb. For example, will be leaving, shall be waiting, will be playing, will be studying, shall be performing, shall be eating, shall be traveling. So these are the example of future continuous tense form of a verb, and will and shall must be used in future continuous tense as a helping verb. So student, I hope all of you understand the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.